Welcome to another episode of Science at Home. I'm Fatin, your resident social distancing scientist from Tech Dome, Penang. Remember our previous episode of Science at Home? We have learned the chemical reaction behind black snake, but we cannot eat the black snake. So this week, we are going to test the chemical reaction on something that we can eat. That is the honeycomb. Let's go! What we need are some fine sugar, some honey, some baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, a pot and a spatula, and last but not least, a tray layered with baking paper. The first step is put the fine sugar into the pot. Then add the honey. Boil them under low heat and mix them well until they melt and turn brown. After that, add the baking soda or sodium bicarbonate into the mixture and quickly mix them well until they become bubbly. Then, pour the mixture into the tray with the baking paper. And after that, let them cool down for about 1 hour. The same chemical reaction occurs in this experiment, in which sodium bicarbonate is break down into sodium carbonate, water vapor and carbon dioxide gas. However, I would like to highlight a new term here, which is thermal decomposition. So, thermal decomposition is when a chemical is break down or decomposed with the help of heat. The honeycomb gets its hollow and spongy texture from the carbon dioxide gas. The brown color of the honeycomb comes from caramelization reaction. Caramelization is when sugar is break down by heat at certain temperature, and it will also produce the sweet caramelized smell. I hope you have learned something from this episode. Like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. See you next time. Bye bye.